One sentence, that's all it takes to hijack an AI chatbot. Stay till the end. I'll show you the exact checklist that stops it. Hey everyone, welcome back to SecureAI Simplified. Today, prompt injection, what it is, and the beginner-friendly best practices that defend against it. Here's the simple version. Every AI chatbot is given hidden instructions by its developer. Rules like never share confidential data. Prompt injection is when someone crafts a message designed to override those hidden instructions. Think of a substitute teacher walking into a classroom. A student says, "The real teacher cancelled class, you can leave." The AI, like that substitute, doesn't always know who to trust. There are two types. Direct, someone types the malicious instructions straight into the chat. Indirect, sneakier. The instructions are hidden inside a web page or document that the AI reads later, so the attack never even touches you directly. Security teams follow the OWASP top 10 for large language models for this. It comes down to 3 layers. Input filtering, scan messages before the AI processes them. Least privilege from the NIST AI risk management framework. Never let the chatbot send emails or payments without limits. A human checkpoint required by the EU AI Act for high-risk actions. A real person approves it first. Now, in plain terms, here's your personal checklist. 1. Never paste passwords or financial details into any chatbot. 2. Be cautious with AI browser extensions. They read every page you visit. 3. Don't connect an AI assistant to your email or bank account unless you fully trust it. 4. If an AI's response suddenly feels off or asks you to do something unusual, stop and treat that as a red flag. 5. For anything urgent involving money, always double-check through a second channel like a phone call before acting. Prompt injection isn't science fiction. It's one of the most active AI risks today. Now you know what it is and the checklist that keeps you safe. If this helped, hit subscribe. SecureAI Simplified drops new videos every day. See you in the next one.